Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The location for any Burp Suite plugin can be found by going to the Extensions tab, clicking on the extension, then looking at the file name in the Details tab. On Windows, this file name correlates to a folder in C, Users, your username, App Data, Roaming, Burp Suite, BAPS.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In Burp, go to the Extender tool, and the Extensions tab, and add a new extension. Select the extension type, Java, and specify the location of your jar file. This should be loaded into Burp with no errors. Burp relies on Jython to provide its Python support.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To install an extension from the BAP Store, return to the BAP Store tab, select the extension you wish to install and click Install. The extensions you have installed are shown in the Extensions tab.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.